So as you know, in November 2nd in Florida, we have a big event. Over 70 traders are signing up. Over 10 of our traders, moderators are coming up in Hotel Westin. It's very important. So now we want to do live trading. The question is what equipment you should bring for live trading, because we have really good Wi-Fi. We want to connect to the trading platforms and we want to live all next to each other, answering questions and helping each other. And I'm going to go over my office when I'm traveling. And in the link below, I'll share all of the requirements that I have, and you can actually go and purchase if anything that you want. You have enough time. And yeah, you can have a traveling station. So this is the way that you are seeing here is I have 2 extra screens and 1 laptop. And obviously, I need a mouse. A mouse is connected to the laptop, plus you have this keyboard. However, the question is what portable screens I'm using. I'm using Acer. These are a little bit older, but they're better and cheaper one are available. That is in the link below. You can have that. They are USB connected. So these are USB plugged. So the USB goes either into the laptop or into a hub, and it goes into your trading screen. So it's this way. However, if you have 2 or 3 screens, you don't have enough ports in your laptop. Most of the laptops usually have 1 or 2 USB ports. What you need to do is you need to have something, what we call it, a USB hub. A USB hub is something that has a lot of USB ports in there, plus it gets the power directly from the power plug. So it goes directly to the power plug. Therefore, this hub has the power, and all of the screens are getting their power. They're connecting from this power hub. So if you connect all of your screen directly to your laptop, even if you have enough USB, it drains your battery really fast. Therefore, it's better to use one of these hubs that is actually externally power plugged. So again, I highly recommend to these USB hubs that is connected. See, it's connected already to a plug. So this one is electricity. You can put it, and now everything has plug. So every USB equipment that you enter in there, they're getting their power from this hub, not from the laptop. Especially when you're working on the battery laptop, it drains the battery laptop really fast. Excellent. Now, so you have these 2 connected. Your mouse can connect it either directly to the laptop, or your mouse can connect it directly to the hub. And the hub is actually connected to one of the USB ports into your laptop. There you go. That's it. Now you have the trading station. I'm traveling with this everywhere that I want to go. So now the one question is, I'm traveling a lot. I have a status with Air Canada and Star Alliance. So the question is how I actually put all of this stuff into my luggage. And I'm going to talk about that with you. Let me show you what I have. And most of the time I'm traveling like that. So I have a Riley Rig laptop bag, which is amazing. The link is down there if you want to purchase it from Amazon. It's a couple of $100s. It's one of the best investment that I have. It will be connected to your carry-on luggage. It also has the wheels. You can just either run it like this together, or if you don't want that, you can just put it up here. There is something on the back that connected to this, and now you can run with that. Both of these ones are going into the carry-on package, so they fit easily up on top of the header space of the most of the planes. So this is a very, very nice pack because it has a lot of zippers for your laptop, money, badge, passports, and everything. And then it has 2 big components. The main components is the components that I'm putting my laptop and my screens. So essentially what you have to do is you put your screen here, the other one you're just putting it here, and you just put that here. Perfectly nice, very secure. And your laptop would be as well. Your laptop would be here on the other one, plus you have some bags here that you're safe. There you go, that's it. And then you have another big component. Another big component, very, very important. In this big component, I put all of my laptop, all of the cables, hub, and everything I put in there. Plus, I always have my liquid gels and stuff that I carry with me in the plane in there, because it's very important to go in there. Why? Because I'm not gonna, when I'm going through the security, then do not have to open this one. I'll just open this one quickly, take this one out, put it out, goes through the X-ray machine. So that's very important to be in there. One thing that is very important is having this holder. As I mentioned that to you, the screens are not easily standing. They come with a bag, but they're not really that easily standing. And this is really nice that you can just put it in any pad that you have. Very important. I have 3 of them. So you can have 2 or 3 screens depending on how many screen you want. I think 2 is really good. 3 is better because we have 1 screen for the laptop and 2 of these on the side. The question is, do you bring the cable or not? Well, what I found is the Wi-Fi's most of the time are really good. Sometimes I do have a very small LAN cable with me. But another problem that I found is that most of the hotels don't have these plugs anymore. It's all about Wi-Fi. And that's one of the tricky part about being a traveling trader, is that finding a good Wi-Fi. But that's a good point. I might actually have it here. I don't know. Sometimes I have in my cables. In this particular case, I don't have it. What I have is always mask, because of the pandemic traveling. Battery pack, it's very important to always have. Always I have a lot of plugs because I'm traveling internationally. But in this particular case, I have some extra cables, but I do not have Ethernet cable. Because what I found is almost 90% of the hotels do not have these Ethernet cables anymore. They're all Wi-Fi. If you're going to Airbnb, it's a different story. It's not a bad idea to have one of these small ones, have small ones handy to have just in case to connect it to the modem. But Wi-Fi these days has been really, really good. So the link below has all of these, plus the link that you can purchase on Amazon. We found it the best prices, and if you want to have, make sure to buy that mouse. Cheap, very cheap. Always, obviously, the mouse pad is also really important because sometimes you're going to the hotel room and stuff. You don't have anything that, sometimes these laser mouse don't work. So it's always good to have a very light mouse pad as well. And that's it. Looking forward to see you in Florida. And hopefully you reach to a point for trading like me that you travel all around the world and this just become your office space. You click a couple of $100, a couple of $1,000, and then you can just enjoy the beauty that this planet has. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment, ask your questions. I personally read all the comments and I'm looking forward to see you in Florida.